Learn so they leave me alone. The next time I hear any fucking subliminal lines, brother, I will fucking...
No, me still up on Trinidad. That right there, so. A Toppy Boss. He must send a threat to Kalonji. Kalonji are the youth where they get shot up at the hotel. And him girlfriend dead upon him birthday. Them there one hotel and him post it upon social media. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, you have a little vlogger out of Trinidad. The man a do some vlogging, and so him come out with a vlog with Toppy Boss a threaten the youth here, Kalonji. The vlogger here out of Trinidad, the man very irresponsible. It look like him fully dunced the bomber clot. Pardon my language. Viewers' discretion is advised. But me I go play the video with Toppy Boss where I talk about Kalonji. And then me I go talk about it and talk about that idiot blood clot vlogger here. And me I talk how the Trinidad dancehall movement it not stop fuck up with reggae music thing, dog, with dancehall thing. Dancehall thing starting at Jamaica. Round in a Kingston blood clot 11, dog. You understand? Down from Grassquit Lane, Woodpecker Avenue, go back into Tower Hill, Waterhouse. You ride them. Cat, enough man, tired. You understand? A deso dancehall start from. So, me I go talk about this. And me I go play some of that idiot blood clot vlogger here. And the way how the man a vlog about the thing, him a vlog about it like it's a fiction. And like it's not a real blood clot situation going on. Let's go.
Subliminal lines for good. I have no time at all the stuff trying to draw more, all the rest up, take all the time. Get back some faith in music, you understand? Leave me alone. All the door that, right? I hear the line. All the door jumpy me, don't jumpy Toby, don't jumpy them. Them fucking bees on the head. You see which part is here? Or the don't jump with this? Well, don't jump with that. I grew up here. Me didn't come here, you know. Bobby, what going on? Me didn't come here, you know. I grew up here. I run around all over here. Me didn't come from our next country and take chain up and, you understand, for no badness. Stop the violence. You see, I end the violence here. This is love. Big up the killer. This is love over here.
Now, on the hear what him say. I pay a fuckery my talk. Viewers' discretion is advised. He must say the man I call up him name. And the next time him hear him name in a song. And it's not even his name. Him say subliminal messages. The man has sent subliminal messages. This is Toppy Boss talking right here. Him say the man has said subliminal messages. Then, if you notice him show the video of the outside of the area I'm from, which is Port of Spain, Lavante area, Arima. And he must say him a original bad man from Trinidad and that area. Him not come from no other island. I want to hear that, you know. Him not come from no other island and I like say him a yasso him come from him a bad man and the next time him hear subliminal messages what him a go do. Now him also a big up a killer and big up the killer them and in the same breath he must say stop the violence but him a go kill people.
stop the violence or leave me alone. The next time I hear any fucking subliminal lines, brother, I will fucking bye, brother. Stop the.
Wanna know if me or whether you tell say doesn't make any damn sense. Explain that to me. So when you see how them youth here I fuck up the dancehall scene, it's like the man them a movie bad boy, dog. Movie bad boy, big pussy out. But anyways, now what me I gonna do? Me I play a little clip from that idiot blood clot vlogger ya. You understand? And cause that boy ya, him a incite violence with the man them at Trinidad before him vlog in a Fox and tell the man them put down the violence. All the pussy are the dog. I talk pure fuckery and people a bite it and I eat it up. And that is such a sad thing for reggae music, dog. You understand? Hear this.
So as you can see the video, you see that Toppy Boss seems like the one who trying to keep the peace, you know them way, and he really want to take it to a next level. But then you have a video posting that you know you want to keep the peace, but then you're on Instagram same way posting it in posting some posts. Remember when I made the last reviews when the man made some posts and said, yo, I want to lump forest, I want to lumpy, you understand? Drink some ensure and limp up, drink some ensure and rest up, you understand? Because you're limp and we make the point clear. Say, yo, remember Kalonji was shoot up in his foot, you understand? And the man asked him, oh, what badness arm, what pass him have? When the man say, yo, some backing them a pass, cause them fucked up my mate right now, make me feel so irrelevant. You dig? So
me know say the vlogger them a look views and I try grow them thing. But what me I say, the youth here, the vlogger boy, all the man I talk about is the internet gossip and the internet bullshit, and he's trivializing it and he's not dealing with and explaining the seriousness. How many murder, how many youths getting killed. All he's doing is referring back Kalonji step on Facebook, where the man step on blood clot Instagram, and then he might put it together on a straight blood clot drama. People probably hear it, share it, and next thing you know, the youth them a war and them a kill off each other. The vlogger ya, I want big pussy. You understand? And me I go post that video ya on him channel, make him see it. Trini boy, yo, stop incite the violence. Now, one thing we can say for the youth, them a yard, the Jamaican vlogger them, man like Sir P, man like me, man like Popeye them, the man them give fucks, and the man them not inciting bad behavior. You understand? When a good behavior, a good behavior. When a good thing for vlog about, you vlog about it. You can't take the killing and I trivialize it and make it look like it's the right thing to do because you try to look views, my youth. Go suck your mother. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on the notification button. Now I have more videos coming up about Jamaica, Belize, Trinidad, St. Kitts, Curacao, and the list goes on and on. Because the gang thing is an epidemic in the Caribbean. And eventually, we are going to lose the country them where we live in to crime and violence. Now, with that said, the leaders them of the Caribbean, them have to step up and give back to the people. Yo, my youth, Toppy Boss, you fully done, my youth. Use a fully lunatic.